The Mississippi Bureau of Investigation has issued an Amber Alert for 1-year-old Oliver Jackson Tidwell of Gulfport, Mississippi, Harrison County. Oliver Jackson Tidwell is described as a mixed male 2 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 25 pounds, with brown eyes and curly black hair. Oliver Jackson Tidwell was last seen about 7:33 p.m. at 3624 Jody Nelson Drive, Apartment A3, Gulfport, Mississippi, wearing a white tank top with Rad White Blue printed on it with a white diaper. Oliver Jackson Tidwell is accompanied by Charles Allan Tidwell, is described as a white male 30 years old, 6 feet 1 inch tall, weighing 240 pounds. Charles Allan Tidwell was last seen wearing a gray shirt with green or maroon sleeves and shorts, with brown eyes and black curly hair. Oliver Jackson Tidwell and his father Charles Allan Tidwell. If anyone has information regarding the whereabouts of Oliver Jackson Tidwell or the vehicle, contact the Mississippi Bureau of Investigation at 855-642-5378.